Hello everyone. We are in between rain showers, hoping to get a quick walk in. Well, let's say quick. A Levy-paced walk in. Levy, where are you going? Better go get your baby. Check on your baby. Good girl. You're power walking. Whoa! Careful, don't go too fast. But he's done a little marking. It's really cute. Little path. We haven't been here before, so we thought we would just come and check it out. It looks like there's a little kiddies play area ahead. Not that this is the weather for play areas, but it's good to know nevertheless.
He likes to walk with the uneven ground.
Yeah, you've got this whole path, and he's like, no, I'm good. Run, 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 run. Birdie's just poking through the back there. You guys, Birdie just bulldozes through Levy every now and then, and unfortunately he just finds it really funny and he laughs at her. Come, Bobo.
Hold on to Dada's finger. No?
He's independent, our baby.
Oh, no.
He's like, no thank you. Birdie's gotten a bit tired of waiting for Levy. She's like, you guys just catch up with me when you're ready. Levy was jumping in a puddle. That's such a big hill for him. Birdie. Birdie. Well done, baby.
Again.
What have you found, Lev?
Again. Stop.
Whoa, that's too slippery, Dada. Yay! Guys, I've just been picking up fireworks from the ground all in this kiddies play area. Isn't that terrible? You can see bits of it everywhere. He loves walking up to swings. This is an interesting baby swing. I've never seen one like that before.
Oh yeah.
They're too wet, Baba. You can't go on there. Good job, bird. Good job.
Ow!
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job. Just stand behind him. Good job. This one's a bit for big kids, I think. He's figuring it out though.
Yeah, he's putting his knee on these.
Yeah. You're not pushing him, right?
No.
You got it, baby. You got it. Hi, peekaboo. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh.
Go over the little bridge, Dada.
Oh, look.
Look at you. Hi, peekaboo. Oh, he likes the bridge. We are on the way back to the car now. It's starting to get dark. Say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. So we're gonna just end off the video here, you guys. I know it was a short one, but hopefully it was a sweet one. Cambo, what are you sniffing there? Birdie ate something unacceptable yesterday at the park, so she's on a short leash at the moment as far as exploring goes. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great day, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye everyone. Levy's gone off saying goodbye. Bye. Yay! Good job.